Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be talking about how do I detect the Python version at runtime. To detect the Python version at runtime, you need to import a module which is called as the sys module. So to import this particular module, let me go ahead and type the code import sys. I will be executing this particular code. In the next step, what I will be doing is simply type sys.version. Once I type sys.version and execute this, you can see here Python displays the version that I am working on. It is 3.8.8. If you want a detailed explanation about the version that you are working on, what you can do is in the next line, you can simply type sys.version _info. You can execute this particular command and you can see here in the output. The output is a tuple containing 5 components of the version number. What are the major components? You can see the major component, minor component, micro component. You can also see the release level, which can take 4 values, namely alpha, beta, candidate, and final. And lastly, you can see the serial component. So this is how you can import the sys module and display the version that you are working on. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. In case you have liked this video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a great day.